Tired of seeing your Looker Studio reports riddled with dimension and metric errors? Let's squash those bugs in under 90 seconds. First, navigate to the Resource menu at the top of your Looker Studio report. This is your central hub for managing data connections and configurations. From the drop-down, select Manage Added Data Sources. This option will display all the data sources currently connected to your report. Now, carefully review the list of your data sources. Identify the data source associated with the problematic dimension or metric, and click the Edit button next to it. In the editing panel, pay close attention to the Fields section. Look for any warning icons or error messages next to dimension or metric names. This usually indicates an issue with the field's data type or configuration. Click the Refresh Fields button. This forces Looker Studio to resync with the underlying data source and update the available fields and their definitions. This often resolves discrepancies caused by changes in the data source. If the errors persist, manually check the data type assigned to each dimension and metric. Ensure that the data type is appropriate for the actual data store in the corresponding column in your data source. For example, numerical data should be set to number and text data to text. Once you've corrected the data types and refreshed the fields, review your report. Your charts and tables should now display the data accurately, free from those frustrating error messages. Like and subscribe for more Looker Studio tips.